Hello, today we will guide you through how to do bank transfer on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can confidently navigate to the place where bank transfers are managed and understand what to expect along the way. First, open Trading 212. You can use the mobile app or go to the website in your browser. Sign into your account as you normally would. Keep in mind that bank transfers are available in live accounts, not in practice or demo mode. If you're currently in a demo account, you can still follow the navigation steps, but the actual transfer action won't be available until you switch to a live, verified account that supports deposits. Once you're in, look toward the top corner of the screen for the three horizontal lines. This icon is often called the hamburger menu, and it opens the main navigation. On mobile, it's typically at the top left. On desktop, it may be near the top bar. If your screen size is small, the menu icon helps keep the interface tidy, so it's the quickest way to reach account settings and funding options. Click the three lines to open the side menu. You'll see a list of account areas and tools. This panel is where Trading 212 groups key actions like portfolio, settings, and funding. If the menu doesn't open immediately, give it a second or make sure you're tapped or clicked directly on the icon. Sometimes a quick refresh helps if the page has been idle. From this menu, select Manage Funds. This is the section where you handle deposits and withdrawals, and it's the place where the bank transfer option appears in supported regions and account types. If you are in a demo account, you'll notice that the funding options are limited or read-only. That's expected. To actually initiate a bank transfer, you'll need to be in your live account with your identity verified and your currency set. Trading 212 may show you the relevant bank details and any unique reference required once you're eligible. A few helpful tips while you're here. Transfers from a bank account in your own name are typically required, and processing can take from 1 to several business days depending on your bank and currency. Double-check any reference or payment details. Trading 212 provides to ensure your funds are allocated quickly. Be mindful of currency conversion if your bank account differs from your Trading 212 account currency, and always deposit over secure connection. That's it. Open Trading 212, access the three-line menu, and go to Manage Funds. This is where bank transfers are handled when you're on a live, verified account.